We got the Nissan Versa, folks. This is the 2020 edition, really upgrading it from the 2019 and the prior editions, now having the V-Motion grille, the key bob, which allows you to start the car with a button. Looking throughout the car, you're going to notice right away it has a beautiful interior with orange stitching throughout the whole entire vehicle. That orange stitching really shows that Nissan is stepping up their game when it comes to the Versa, along with all of the functions that we want and the functions that you required from the past, all still being in the Nissan Versa with the power windows, climate control, and your assisted driving. Lots of room in the back seat for your passengers. This is the perfect vehicle for a college student or an Uber driver. You have the assisted backup here with the line tracing, which allows you to see where you're going to go. And the Nissan Versa does not lack on the outside of the vehicle as well, having a sleek design with plenty of lights, functionality, and style. The 2020 Nissan Versa, this is a used vehicle located around $20,000, a steal for the SR model like this one. Come stop by Mike Erdman Nissan today and pick up a vehicle that is right for you.